Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this DUCLUS photography light box. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reading it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So here it says dimmable, high brightness, no strobe, has a CRI of 97, that's the color rendering index, so it's going to accurately render colors, multi-angle shooting, 8-piece backdrops, foldable, portable. So let's open this up. So let's pull this out. So it has this bag here with handles on it for carrying. And here we have some backdrops. So let's pull this out of here. So then we also have the backdrops here. We have a number of different colors. I'll set these aside for now. Let's get this set up. So here's the manual. So this comes with one light box, 6 PVC backdrops, 2 paper backdrops, 1 diffuser cloth. Here are the specs. Has 160 LEDs. The LED lamp bead lumen is 24 to 26. The dimming range is 0 to 100%. Power is 1 to 11 watts. Power supply is USB power. The lamp bead model is 2835. Color temperature is 5500 Kelvin. Color rendering index is greater than or equal to 97. It's 5 volts, cable length is 2 meters. So here it says unfold the light box, set up the support board, insert one backdrop into the fixing band, connect the power and start horizontal shooting, attach front side, start overhead shooting, open the sticky front window and start front shooting. Here's light box features. It says uniform light, 360 lighting for center. The light is more uniform, it reduces shadows. Here's the dimmer, it has 10 adjustments. Here's the diffuser cloth. It says soften light, reduce shadows. The cloth side is on the top, the plastic is on the bottom. It says it's designed with a hole to shoot from the top hole. The proper distance between the diffuser and the light can get a better light effect. Then it has the smooth color backdrops, and those are made of PVC. It has 2 replaceable matte paper backdrops. And here's some other information here. Okay, so let's unfold this. It's a little hard to show on camera here. This is pretty large. So I'm going to lift up on this and I'm going to fold this top flap down in the back. So here we go. I'll tilt this up so you can see the inside here. So we have an LED ring light on the top, and then we have the port for your camera there. And I'll close up the front. So this has hook and loop fasteners here to seal this up, and then it does have a window here that we can open. So this can come off completely, so we can open that up. And here's the port in the top that flips back. We turn around to the back side. Here we have the USB for the light. Looks like there's a lot of cable stuffed in here. We could push out through the hole. Let me do that. So this will plug into any USB charger. So I have a charger over here I'll plug into. Open up the front again. Now we can turn this on with the power. Okay, you can see these LEDs lit up, and that's probably full brightness there, and then we can press the button to dim them. So you have 10 dimness settings. Okay, so here I have the PVC backdrops. I'll insert one of these. So there's an elastic band in the back here to put this under. So I will stick the backdrop under that. Okay, now I can close this up. I'll open the front, and now I can put an object in here to photograph. So here I have a small camping lantern. I'll set that in there. Get my camera set up here. Now I'm on my tripod. I would probably do this freehand, but I'm going to stop the video and I'll take a picture and I'll insert that into the video. Okay, so I took a couple pictures there. So I can open this up now, take this out. So if we want to soften the light, we can use this. And it says cloth side up, so the shiny plastic will be down. And to attach that, there is hook and loop fastener on the sides here. So I'll just connect that in here. There we go. So that's going to soften the light. So now we can close the front off again. And now if we look through here, we can see through the softener to the inside. And then we can put the item down here and photograph it. So this came with a variety of backdrops here. We have this kind of peach colored one. This is a black, green. So this looks like a white paper, and here's a black paper. So the white I have in there now is PVC. So it comes with a black and white PVC and a black and white paper. We have red and blue. Needless to say, you could get your own materials and cut your own backdrops also. This also came with a couple reflective boards. It has this looks like a kind of a clear one. Has a little bit of a rainbow effect to it. Then this one is black. and this one has gold on one side, silver on the other. So you can put these under your things to get a reflection up from the bottom. So that's the DUCLUS photography lightbox. I think this is going to really come in handy for taking pictures of products. I think this would also be good for taking pictures of models, toys, things like that. I currently use a ring light and take it against the background of my bench here, but it can be really hard to crop things out. This will be much easier since it has that smooth transition from the back to the front, and it's all white behind it, or a solid color depending on which backdrop you use. But having that more consistent background is going to make it a lot easier to manipulate the photo later. So this is pretty large and it can take up quite a bit of room, but it won't because it collapses down. So this can go in just that little bag so you can take it with you, or it can easily store in a closet. With all the different backgrounds, it gives you lots of options for taking your pictures. And then if you really want to step up your game, it has those reflective backdrops that you can put down below, and you can say they showed like a model car on it and get a reflection of it. So I like that this allows you to take pictures from the front or the top too. So I'm going to take a couple other pictures with this, and I'll insert those now. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.